everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Pinterest. Following someone on Pinterest is quite easy as doing a quick search on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is tap and open Pinterest application, and soon after you do that, sign into your account if necessary. Once you are in your home screen, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen right next to the home button, and your search box will appear at the top. Enter a name you want to search into the text bar. Once you search for the person, you'll be able to see the search results from that name. Once you find the person, simply tap on the follow button in order to follow someone on Pinterest. Once you follow the person, you'll be able to see their pins on your pin board. That is how you can easily follow someone on Pinterest. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.